Good afternoon, students. New topic is equality in Indian democracy. So, our Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal, as you all know, in that is Article 15. It means that every individual in the country belonging to any state, caste, religion, birthplace, gender, etc., or economic educational background, they all are equal. Okay, so here our next discussing point is what is equality before law in the Indian Constitution. So equality before law is provided in the Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. This term is taken from the Constitution of England, which means that equal treatment for all person before the court. Okay, you basically uh, heard the term in the बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स दैट कानून अंधा है, कानून की नज़र में सब एक समान है. सो दैट इज़ द लॉ विल बी ब्लाइंड, it will not see who is standing in the dock, rich or poor. As you all know, Salman Khan, Sanjay Dutt, Lalu Prasad Yadav, and so many other personalities have also faced the same rule, that is faced by a daily wager or someone else. Okay. Next is there shall not be any privileges for any particular person. It means everyone will get the same punishment for the same crime. No person will be rich or poor, shall be above the law. It means the law will be the same for the both minister and the servant. Okay, a prime minister or his servants or his officer, if they did the same crime, they will face the same law, and they will face the same penal code for the same crime. Okay, so कानून की नज़र में क्या है, सभी लोग इक्वल हैं, किसी भी प्रकार का किसी के साथ भेदभाव नहीं किया जाता है. आइदर वो मिनिस्टर हो, कोई एक्टर हो या कोई भी हो, सभी उसके नज़र में इक्वल हैं, सभी को सेम पनिशमेंट दी जाती है. Article 15 also get the provisions of there should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, class, religion, gender, race, place of birth, etc. There should be equal access to public places that is situated in our country. All people have equal right on public places and amenities like playgrounds, markets, shops, roads, wells, etc. And they are equal access to the country's resources also, like railways, uh, public buses, public transport, etc. Okay, and also there is a very famous provision in the Article 15, that is abolition of untouchability. Okay, अनटचेबिलिटी को जो है वो ख़त्म किया गया है. इसमें कोई भी छुआछूत का, यानी छोटी जात या बड़ी जात नाम की कोई भी चीज़ नहीं होगी, सभी जो है हमारे इंडिया में इक्वल रहेंगे. ओके, एंड द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ ट्राइड टू इम्प्लीमेंट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इक्वलिटी दैट इज़ गारंटीड in the constitution through some laws, that is to protect every person's right to be treated equally. You are also know about the fundamental rights of the constitution. Okay, some schemes and programs that is for the bringing up the equality among the citizen. Many of these schemes and programs also help the disadvantaged section of the societies. Okay, these offer greater opportunities to the previously discriminated sections of the society for their growth and development. Okay, the reservation that is giving in the admission in the public colleges or universities, that is also a part of the equal opportunities provisions in the Article 15. Okay, now you have also heard about the midday meal program, that is also a part of the equal opportunity and equality to the Indian society. All the children that is belonging to any caste, any religion, they equally get the meal together. Okay, they equally treated in the midday meal scheme. Okay, the midday meal program was firstly started in 1995 in the Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Tamil Nadu was the first state that started the midday meal program, and nowadays all in in all India, the midday meal scheme is uh, provided to every district and every village of the uh, country. Okay.